How to set Subitem deadline automation for Monday.com. You can do this in 7 simple steps. 1. Open your Monday.com workspace and navigate to the board where you want to set Subitem deadlines. Ensure your board has Subitems enabled. 2. Click on the Automations button at the top of the board. This will open the Automation Center where you can set custom rules for task management. 3. In the Automation Center, select Create Custom Automation to build a new rule. You can also browse pre-made automation templates if one fits your needs. 4. Set the trigger by choosing when a subitem is created or when a status changes, depending on how you want deadlines to be assigned. 5. Now, define the action by selecting Set Due Date and linking it to a column that holds your deadlines. Choose whether the deadline should be based on the parent task's due date or a fixed time frame. 6. Click Save to activate the automation. From now on, whenever a new Subitem is created, it will automatically be assigned a deadline according to your rule. 7. Test the automation by adding a new Subitem to see if the deadline is applied correctly. If needed, you can adjust the settings in the Automations panel to refine the process further.